Hello everyone and welcome back to Let's Learn, your go-to channel for the best digital tools, tech tips, and productivity hacks. In today's video, we're diving deep into one of the most powerful and professional email platforms for businesses, Zoho Mail. If you're looking for a professional, secure, and completely ad-free email solution, then stick around, because Zoho Mail might just be the perfect choice for you. It's specifically designed for professionals, startups, and small businesses who need an affordable, private, and ultra-reliable email platform. So, what exactly is Zoho Mail? It's not just an email service. It's the core of the Zoho Workplace suite. This suite includes a whole range of tools for communication, collaboration, and productivity. Think integrated chat, a shared calendar, file management, and even online document editors. So, when you choose Zoho Mail, you not just getting a new inbox, you getting an entire ecosystem designed to help you and your team manage work efficiently. This integration is a game changer because it keeps everything you need in one place, streamlining your workflow and saving you precious time. Now, why is it so great for startups and small businesses? Let's talk about professionalism. Whether you're a freelancer juggling multiple clients or a business owner establishing your brand, Zoho Mail allows you to create custom branded email addresses like yourname@yourcompany.com. Think about it, which looks more credible? An email from a generic address or one from a custom domain? Having your own branded email instantly builds trust with clients, enhances your brand identity, and gives your entire business a more polished, professional image from day one. It's a small detail that makes a huge difference in how your business is perceived. This is absolutely perfect for bootstrapped startups and small businesses that need to keep their initial costs as low as possible while still presenting a professional front. Let's move on to the user experience and security. Zoho Mail's interface is clean, modern, and incredibly easy to navigate. There's no clutter, no distracting ads, just a streamlined inbox designed for productivity. But where it truly shines is its commitment to privacy. The platform is built from the ground up with security in mind. It features end-to-end encryption, which means your emails are protected from prying eyes. It also includes two-factor authentication for an extra layer of account security and advanced spam filters that effectively keep your inbox clean. With Zoho Mail, you can be confident that your sensitive business data and communications are kept completely safe and private. What about accessing your email from different devices or apps? Zoho Mail has you covered. It supports both POP and IMAP protocols. This means if you have a favorite email client like Microsoft Outlook, Apple Mail, or Thunderbird, you can easily connect your Zoho Mail account and manage your emails from that familiar interface. And of course, in today's world, mobile access is crucial. The Zoho Mail mobile app, available for both Android and iOS, is powerful and intuitive. It lets you stay connected, manage your inbox, and access your calendar on the go, ensuring you never miss an important message, no matter where you are. Speaking of a calendar, Zoho Mail isn't just about sending and receiving emails, it's a full-fledged productivity hub. Built right into the interface, you'll find a calendar to manage your schedule, a tasks manager to track your to-do lists, a notes app to jot down ideas, and even a bookmarks feature to save important links. Having all these tools integrated directly into your email client means you can stay organized without constantly switching between different applications. It's an all-in-one solution designed to help you manage your entire workday efficiently from a single screen. This level of integration is what sets it apart from many other providers. Okay, this sounds great, but is it hard to set up? Not at all. Setting up Zoho Mail is surprisingly quick and simple. The process is guided and straightforward. You just need to own a domain name, and Zoho walks you through the steps to verify it. After that, you can create user accounts for your team, and you're ready to start sending and receiving professional emails. And if you're worried about leaving your old emails behind, don't be. Zoho Mail makes migration incredibly easy. It has a built-in one-click migration tool that can pull all your old emails, contacts, and even calendar data from other providers like Gmail or Outlook. The transition is seamless. One of Zoho's biggest selling points, and something we have to emphasize, is its privacy-first approach. In an age where data is currency, Zoho stands firm. Unlike many free email providers, Zoho does not scan the content of your emails to target you with ads. There are no ads, period. Your inbox is your private space. The company's business model is based on selling software, not your data. Furthermore, Zoho is fully GDPR compliant and takes data protection very seriously, ensuring that your personal and business information remains private and secure. This commitment to privacy is a core part of their philosophy. Another powerful feature is how well Zoho Mail integrates with other Zoho applications. If your business is already using or plans to use other products from the Zoho suite, like Zoho CRM for sales, Zoho Books for accounting, or Zoho Projects for project management, you'll find that Zoho Mail connects perfectly with them. For example, you can save an email contact directly to your CRM or convert an email into a task in Zoho Projects. This deep integration creates a unified system where you can manage everything from sales and finance to team communication, all from one interconnected platform. It truly centralizes your business operations. So, to wrap it all up, why does Zoho Mail stand out from the crowd? It's reliable, incredibly affordably, or even free to start and built on a foundation of security and privacy. It offers everything a modern business needs for professional communication without the ads, data tracking, or high costs associated with other platforms. From custom domains to integrated productivity tools and seamless migration, it's a comprehensive solution. It's truly one of the best email platforms available for businesses today. If you haven't tried it yet, I highly recommend you head over to zoho.com/mail and set up your free account. You'll be impressed by how professional and simple it is to use. That's all for today's video. I hope you found this guide to Zoho Mail helpful and informative. If you did, please show your support by hitting that like button and subscribe to Let's Learn for more tutorials on the best business and productivity tools. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.